Hi guys, this is Cypress Real Tech Reviews, and on the same day I got my Z Fold 2 update. Look what just popped up on my Tab S7 Plus. Well, what do you know? This one's a bit smaller at almost, about 850 megabytes, this update. But let's have a look and see what it says here. So it says it supports S Pen to text function. Now you can directly input text to the input field with S Pen handwriting. Nice. Dolby feature is supported in DeX mode now. Let's see. The stability of DeX mode has been improved. The stability of Fingerprint Sensor has been improved. I'm dying to test that one out. Samsung Free. I'm guessing that used to be the Samsung, what was it, the Bixby wall that was supposed to be like Google, the Google feed. I'm guessing now it's called Samsung Free. Samsung Daily has been changed to Samsung Free now. Service to provide an improved UI and differentiated functions according to content and characteristics. The security of your device has been improved. A software update can include, but is not limited to, blah 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 blah. The rest is that, and this is March 1st 2021 security patch level. So I'll get back to you with some of the features that it says here. Okay, so here it goes. I've got my trusty S Pen out. Let's see if what they say is true. Let's try the fingerprint sensor first. Okay. There it is. Oh, that's not bad. Let's try it again. I mean, I am holding my Z Fold 2 and filming at the same time, so I'm trying to get my finger in the right position. Oh, wow. That is much faster, yes. Alright, let's see if there's a handwriting thing here. What's this? Is that it? 1 2 1 2. Hello. Alright, I didn't know it could do that. Let's try it. Hello. Huh? Oh well, okay, the hand recognition's not that good, but yeah. Okay, let's see what else they've put. Let's have a look. Oh, let's have a look. Sync your new album. No, dismiss right now. Let's have a look here. Matter and software. Alright, yeah, Samsung Daily's changed to Samsung Free. Security of your device has been improved. Fingerprint sensor, okay. Stability in DeX mode. Alright, let's have a look at the DeX mode bit. Where are we? DeX, okay. And they said Dolby Atmos now works in... Oops. Oh my god, I'm just going crazy here. Alright, let's have a look. Oh wow. It does work in DeX mode. Didn't do that before. I've got to say, Samsung, doing an amazing job here. Alright, let's bring down the brightness a bit. Make it easier to see. Is that better? Yeah, that's a bit better. Sorry about this video. Well, not sorry, but you know, I'm doing this on the fly right now because it's yeah. Oh, wow. Let's see what else they got here. Let's see. Supports S Pen to text function. Now you can directly input text in the input field with S Pen handwriting. Dolby feature, yeah. DeX has been improved. Okay, let's send someone a message right in Google. Oh, look at that. It just pops up. Let's see. Hello. Hello indeed. Okay, well I'm guessing if you if you write clearer, then that's fine. You can bring up the keyboard here like that. Nice. Let's see. Alright, that's the same. You can add some shortcuts there. Air actions, it's pen unlock. Okay. Alright, so that's all the same. So it wasn't really that much of a major update. But I've got to say, I'm liking the fact that you can now have Dolby Atmos on DeX mode, because on your Z Fold 2 you can't have Dolby Atmos, unfortunately, when in DeX mode. Now you can on the tab. Anyway, this was a quick review of the little update from Samsung for the Tab S7 Plus, and this was Cypress Real Tech Reviews. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, subscribe and like this video so we can get it out to as much more people as possible. And we'll see you later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.